Last summer, I invited my neighbors over for a weekend barbecue, only to discover my old gas grill had run out of fuel right as the first burgers hit the grates. It was a disaster. That humiliation pushed me to find a reliable electric alternative. But navigating the sea of weak heating elements and flimsy grates was a nightmare. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate solution. I have personally tested the top electric grills on the market to find out which ones actually deliver authentic barbecue flavor. Stick around to see which one completely blew me away. 10. CUSIMAX Electric Grill. When I first unboxed this unit, I was drawn to its portable nature and the promise of a double-sided heating design. It is meant to be a versatile indoor and outdoor option for small gatherings, featuring an included stand and a removable drip tray. The assembly was straightforward enough, and setting it up on my patio took just a few minutes. I was hopeful that this compact unit would be the quick-fix grilling station I needed for impromptu weeknight dinners. However, my real-world testing quickly revealed some glaring issues that you need to consider before making a purchase. The adjustable temperature control sounds great on paper, but in practice is incredibly inconsistent. I found myself constantly fiddling with the dial just to maintain a steady heat. One minute, it was barely warm enough to sear a thin chicken breast, and the next, it was scorching the outside while leaving the inside dangerously undercooked. This unpredictability makes it very hard to trust when you have hungry guests waiting. Another aspect that frustrated me was the overall build quality. The stand, while a nice inclusion for outdoor use, feels quite flimsy. When I was pressing down on some thick burgers with my spatula, the whole setup wobbled precariously. It does not inspire the confidence you want when dealing with a hot cooking surface. The nonstick coating also seemed rather thin, and I noticed some minor scratching after just a few gentle washes with a soft sponge, which makes me question its long-term durability. Despite these significant drawbacks, the CUSIMAX does have a couple of redeeming qualities if you're on a very strict budget and only need something for light duty. 9. Kenyon Floridian All Seasons Portable Electric Grill. This is a significant step up in price, positioned as a premium stainless steel option that promises high-end performance both indoors and outdoors. Out of the box, the marine-grade stainless steel construction is genuinely impressive. It looks sleek, professional, and feels like a heavy-duty appliance. I was excited to test out its concealed electric element, which is designed to eliminate flare-ups by preventing grease from ever touching the heat source directly. When I fired it up for the first time, it did reach a high temperature quite rapidly, which is a big plus for an electric model. I threw on a couple of thick ribeyes, expecting a steakhouse quality sear. Unfortunately, the reality did not quite match the premium marketing. While it gets hot, the heat distribution across the grate is frustratingly uneven. I found distinct cold spots near the edges, forcing me to play musical chairs with my food to get everything cooked at the same time. For a grill in this price bracket, you expect uniform heat edge to edge, and the Floridian falls short here. I also ran into issues with the grate design during my testing. The grates are coated with a non-stick material that, while easy to clean, does not hold heat the way heavy cast iron does. This means that as soon as you place a cold, thick piece of meat on the surface, the temperature plummets, and you lose that aggressive searing capability. I ended up with steaks that were more baked than grilled, lacking that deep, caramelized crust that barbecue enthusiasts crave. Furthermore, the power cord is surprisingly short, severely limiting where you can place it on a patio without relying on an extension cord. Eight. George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Barbecue Electric Grill. I have to admit, I went into testing this one with a bit of nostalgia, remembering the classic clamshell grills of the past. This model, however, is a large, domed grill sitting on a removable stand, designed to handle up to 15 servings at once. Setting it up in my backyard, I immediately appreciated its domed lid, which does a fantastic job of trapping hot air and acting almost like an outdoor oven. During my weekend tests, I decided to load this grill up with a massive batch of chicken wings and a few racks of ribs to see how it handled crowd-sized portions. The variable temperature control proved to be surprisingly reliable. I was able to dial it in to a medium-low setting, allowing the chicken wings to render their fat slowly without burning the skin. The heat was consistent, and a large domed lid kept the moisture locked in, resulting in incredibly juicy poultry that genuinely impressed my family. One of the standout features of this grill is the signature George Foreman fat-removing slope. I watched as the grease from the ribs and wings flowed smoothly off the nonstick surface and down into the large, easy-to-remove drip tray below. This design not only makes for slightly healthier meals, but also completely eliminates the terrifying flare-ups you often get when grilling fatty meats on traditional grates. You can literally walk away for a few minutes without worrying about coming back to an inferno on your patio. 7. Cuisinart Electric Grill. The moment I took this grill out of the packaging, I knew it was designed with the ultimate convenience in mind. It is incredibly compact, yet folds out on a telescoping base that transforms it from a tabletop unit to a freestanding patio grill in a matter of seconds. I took it with me on a weekend camping trip to test its portability, and it easily tucked away into a small storage compartment in the trunk when not in use. What really surprised me during my testing was the power packed into this small frame. Pushing out 1500 watts, it heats up much faster than I anticipated for its size. I threw on some thick-cut pork chops and a medley of summer vegetables, and the porcelain enameled cooking grate delivered beautiful, defined grill marks. The heat retention of those grates is excellent, ensuring that the temperature does not drop drastically when you add cold food, allowing for a proper, satisfying sizzle the moment the meat hits the surface. The design of the lid also deserves a lot of praise. It is deep enough to accommodate larger cuts of meat, like a whole spatchcock chicken or a small pork shoulder. I experimented with this slow-roasted chicken, keeping the temperature low and the lid closed. The heat circulated perfectly, acting like a convection oven and cooking the bird evenly all the way through while crisping the skin. It is this kind of versatility that elevates the Cuisinart above a standard, single-purpose cooking appliance. Cleanup after my trip was an absolute breeze. The porcelain enameled grates resist sticking beautifully, meaning a quick scrub with a standard grill brush was all it took to get them looking brand new again. 6. Char-Broil Patio Bistro. This grill completely shifts the paradigm of electric cooking by incorporating Char-Broil's famous TRU infrared cooking technology. When I assembled this sleek, cylindrical grill on my deck, it felt incredibly sturdy and well-engineered. The design is modern and unobtrusive, making it perfect for smaller patios or apartment balconies. But the real magic happens beneath the hood, where the infrared emitter plate sits exactly between the electric heating element and the cooking grates. Testing the TRU infrared system was a revelation. Traditional electric grills heat the air, which can easily dry out your food, but this infrared system heats the food directly. I tested this by cooking some delicate, flaky fish fillets and a batch of lean turkey burgers, items that notoriously dry out on standard grates. The results were phenomenal. The food retained an incredible amount of moisture. The turkey burgers were perfectly juicy, and the fish developed a beautiful crust without sticking to the grates or crumbling apart. Another massive benefit I noticed during my hands-on time was the complete elimination of flare-ups. Because the infrared emitter plate creates a solid, impenetrable barrier between the food and the heating element, grease simply cannot reach the heat source to ignite. Instead, those drippings hit the hot plate, vaporize instantly, and send delicious, smoky flavor right back up into the meat. It gives you the authentic barbecue taste that is often missing from standard electric models, all without the stress of managing sudden fires. The Char-Broil Patio Bistro also features an integrated precision dial that makes temperature control a breeze, alongside a lid-mounted temperature gauge that is surprisingly accurate for this price point. 5. Weber Pulse. The build quality on the Pulse is exactly what you would expect from Weber. Robust, heavy-duty, and designed to last for years. It features thick, porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates that immediately caught my eye. These grates are the secret to achieving that deep, crusty sear, and I could not wait to put them to the test with some premium cuts of beef. What truly sets the Weber Pulse apart is its integration of smart technology. It comes equipped with iGrill smart technology built right into the front panel. I plugged in the included meat probes, inserted them into a pair of thick New York strip steaks, and synced the grill to the Weber app on my phone. Being able to walk away to prepare side dishes in the kitchen while watching the internal temperature of my steaks tick up on my screen was incredibly liberating. The app alerted me exactly when it was time to pull them off, resulting in perfect edge-to-edge medium-rare steaks. The heat output on this machine is fierce. It easily reaches temperatures well over 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is often a struggle for standard electric grills. The cast iron grates hold onto that thermal energy perfectly, delivering those wide, dark grill marks that make food look and taste fantastic. I also tested its lower temperature capabilities by slow roasting a rack of ribs. The Pulse maintained a steady, unwavering low heat for hours, proving it is just as capable of delicate cooking as it is of aggressive, high-heat searing. 4. Blaze Premium LTE Electric Grill. If you're looking for an electric grill that looks and feels like a permanent, high-end outdoor kitchen fixture, this is it. Constructed entirely from commercial-grade 304 stainless steel, this grill is a heavy, gorgeous piece of machinery. Setting it up on my patio, it instantly elevated the look of my entire outdoor space. It is built to withstand extreme weather conditions, and after leaving it uncovered during a heavy rainstorm, it wiped clean without a single spot of rust in sight. Performance-wise, the Blaze is an absolute powerhouse. It utilizes a highly efficient heating element paired with unique, heavy-duty, triangular stainless steel cooking rods. I was fascinated by these triangular grates during my testing. Their shape is designed to maximize the surface area that touches the food while channeling grease away from the element. When I threw a batch of thick burgers onto the Blaze, the sear was instantaneous and aggressive. The heat recovery time when opening and closing the lid was remarkably fast, mimicking the performance of a high-end gas grill. One of the most impressive features I experienced was its ability to handle true dual-zone cooking, which is incredibly rare in electric models. The heat distribution is so well-engineered that I was able to aggressively sear asparagus on one side while gently warming some delicate buns on the other. It comes with a heavy-duty flame tamer that vaporizes drippings to infuse the food with that authentic, smoky barbecue aroma, completely dispelling the myth that electric grills cannot produce real barbecue flavor. To top it all off, the Blaze Premium LTE features stunning aesthetic touches, like the illuminated control knobs that make nighttime grilling not just easy, but visually striking. 3. Weber Lumin Electric Grill. Weber has truly outdone themselves with this model, creating a multifunctional culinary station that goes far beyond traditional grilling. The Lumin has a sleek, modern, low-profile design that looks fantastic on a tabletop or its custom stand. When I first started testing it, I was immediately struck by its insane temperature capabilities. It heats up to over 600 degrees Fahrenheit remarkably fast, setting the stage for some of the best high-heat searing I have ever achieved on an electric unit. However, the massive heat is just the beginning. The Lumin's true superpower is its incredible versatility. It comes with a unique reservoir system that allows you to steam, smoke, or keep food warm. I tested the smoking capability by adding a handful of soaked hickory wood chips to the reservoir and laying down some salmon fillets. Within minutes, the grill was producing a beautiful, fragrant smoke. The salmon came out with a deep, authentic smoky flavor that rivaled results I have gotten from traditional charcoal smokers. I also put the steaming function to the test. By adding water to the reservoir and swapping in the steaming basket, I was able to steam a large batch of broccoli and dumplings right there on the patio. Being able to sear steak on one half of the grill while simultaneously steaming fresh vegetables on the other side is a game-changing experience for outdoor cooking. It entirely eliminates the need to run back and forth to the kitchen, allowing you to prepare the entire meal outdoors. Even when used as a straightforward grill, the performance is flawless. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates are exceptional at retaining heat, and the specially designed flavorizer system vaporizes drippings to add that signature barbecue taste. 2. Char-Broil Edge Full-Size Electric Grill. If you have always loved the massive size and commanding presence of a traditional full-size gas grill, but are tired of hauling heavy propane tanks, the Edge is the answer to your prayers. Assembling this beast in my backyard, I was thrilled to finally have an electric option that offers a massive cooking surface and generous side shelves for prep work. It looks, feels, and operates exactly like a premium gas grill, just without the fuel hassle. The technology powering the Char-Broil Edge is simply outstanding. It features a digital temperature control knob that allows you to dial in your precise desired temperature with incredible accuracy. During my testing weekend, I decided to push its limits by hosting a large block party. I loaded the expansive grates with dozens of hot dogs, burgers, and vegetable skewers all at once. The grill maintained an unwavering, perfectly even heat across the entire cooking surface, completely eliminating the dreaded cold spots that often plague larger electric models. What really solidified its spot at number 2 for me was the automated cleaning cycle. Let's face it, nobody likes scrubbing a cold, greasy grill the morning after a party. With the Char-Broil Edge, once you're done cooking, you simply press the dedicated auto clean button. The grill cranks up the heat to burn off all the residual food particles and grease, effectively turning it to ash, just like a self-cleaning oven. When I came out the next day, a simple wipe with a damp cloth left the grates looking brand new. Additionally, it utilizes an advanced version of Char-Broil's TRU infrared technology, ensuring that all that massive surface area delivers juicy, flare-up-free results every single time. 1. Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect Premium Grill and Smoker. This machine is an absolute revelation and has completely transformed the way I cook outdoors. Right out of the box, the build quality is immaculate. It is perfectly sized for a patio, yet big enough to handle large cuts of meat. But the real reason this takes the top spot is its ability to deliver 100% authentic wood fire flavor using just a tiny half cup of real wood pellets. During my extensive testing, I put this multifunctional master appliance through every possible scenario. I used a built-in smoker box to slow smoke a 9-pound pork shoulder. The integrated convection fan circulated the rich, real wood smoke evenly around the meat, creating a dark, beautiful bark and a massive smoke ring that you would swear came from an expensive offset smoker. The fact that it achieves this incredibly deep, authentic barbecue flavor while being powered by a standard electrical outlet is nothing short of culinary magic. The technological integration on the Pro Connect model is what pushes it over the edge into perfection. It features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, syncing seamlessly to the Ninja Pro Connect app on my phone. It comes with 2 built-in meat thermometers. I set my desired doneness for 2 different cuts of meat right on my phone, and the app tracked the progress, notifying me exactly when to flip the food and when it was ready to rest. The guesswork is completely eliminated, guaranteeing flawless results every single time you fire it up. Beyond smoking and grilling, the versatility is unmatched. I use the outdoor air fry function to make perfectly crispy French fries and chicken wings without deep frying, right next to where I was searing steaks.